This section is an introduction to suffixes. All medical terms will have a suffix that attaches to a root. Suffixes are divided into two major groups: diagnostic suffixes and procedural suffixes. And when a suffix does not point to either of these two groups, most often it will be given the label an adjective suffix. In the formation of medical terms, we will attach a suffix to the combining form to create a word. Here is a short list of common combining forms that will be used in the formation of new medical terms. These particular terms in this list begin with letter A and will continue to move through the letters of the alphabet. Your task will be to memorize these terms and to memorize their meanings. And this is best accomplished through the use of flashcards, where on one side of the flashcard you would write the Greek-Latin term, and on the other side the English version of that term. Let's look at the suffixes that describe diagnosis. You will see that when we look at this list, beginning with algia, these are terms just like the other terms that require a memorization. As we make a list of suffixes to memorize, please categorize the suffixes into either of these two camps, the diagnostic suffixes and the procedural suffixes, and distinguish suffixes from all other terms, that is, the roots and the prefixes, by the use of color. Suffixes will be divided into terms of diagnosis and procedure, and here is a list of various suffixes that include diagnoses. Take the time to read through these various suffixes and memorize their meanings. When building a medical term joining a root and a suffix, remember that a combining vowel is only used when the suffix begins with a consonant. The example given, gastritis, not gastroitis. Following is a list of procedural suffixes that are used to describe therapies, treatment, as well as procedures used to diagnose. Once again, the list that is given are procedural suffixes. Each of these is a procedure. Most often it is a procedure used as a form of therapy, but it may be a procedure used to diagnose an issue. Here is a list of procedural suffixes as examples, and as you look through that list, what you will discover is the various meanings of these procedural terms. See if you can identify the meanings, and then check them against the definition for their meanings. It would be good for you to build basically a collection of flashcards that will enable you to build a comprehensive list of terms and know their meanings and know which category these terms are in.
Which of the following means joint pain? Is it A, arthralgia, B, arthritis, C, arthrocentesis, or D, atheroma? The correct answer is A, arthralgia. Which of the following suffixes does not describe a medical procedure? Is it A, scopy, B, plasty, C, emia, or D, scission? The correct answer is C, emia.